Afternoon. Welcome to the new day. All right, so I'm going to do this project real quick. So I want to get out and go take a ride. Such a nice day. I'm going to go ahead and Jimmy rig Mickey Mouse or MacGyver a handle for boomstick. Now, what's a boomstick? Boomstick is something we use to record. It's a extension of, say, like a selfie stick or yeah, pretty much like that. Extension of like a selfie stick is what I gather, and that's pretty much what I'm going to do. I have this selfie stick here, normal little thing here, and I like that it extends out, right? Extends like normal selfie stick, any other one, get you some length. So here's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take these two pieces here. These came off of reflectors from Ghost Cruiser, which I don't use obviously because I have lights. So I'm going to take these two here and I'm going to see if I can put them together, whether it be with hot glue or a Loctite bonding glue. So I'm going to put these two together, and therefore this piece will sit on the handlebars, and then this piece will hold the stick inside, and it will allow me to, while I'm riding, say I'm on the bike, I can have this stick out here with the camera on it, and I'll be able to take all the shots that I need without holding and get me some better shots. So that's what I'm going to do. We'll see if this works. Okay, so put a little glue here on both of them. Then I'm going to go ahead later on, I'm going to let this sit, clamp it together, let it sit. Then I'll go ahead and drill a hole on top so that I can insert a screw to make sure that these stay together. And we'll see if it works. Okay, so we got this all set, almost fully dry. Looks like it is. Probably needs a little bit more time, but this is the idea. This is what I'm looking for. Now I'm gonna go ahead and drill a hole into this part, and then I'm gonna do another one on this end as well to keep them together for sure, and we'll see how that works. All right, so I got my two holes, my two starters. Now let's see if we can get these in. First one's in, just as I thought it would go. Pretty good, pretty good. Let's try this next. Whoa. Okay. Well, that's that. See if I can get this in a little bit more on this side. Looks like it's peeling up. It's all good. There we go. There we go. Now I'll go ahead and show you how I plan on using this. So as you saw, that didn't work out too well. Clearly, the pieces need to go this way, not this way. So let's try that again. I think we can work with this without it swaying. Let's test it on the bike. All right, so now I'm looking at this and it looks like I'm gonna need a cushion so that it doesn't move too much, because it will not grip. So let's go back over to the table and create something like that. Okay, so I went on and drilled another hole on the top to keep this from swaying and more stable. So we got one on here and then we got one there. Now, I still had the foam left over. Stuff I've been working with for a while. So I had this foam, cut a piece and then threw it on the inside here with a piece of duct tape. So let's check it, let's test it and see how it works. So I need it to hang this way, but I want access to the screw from the front. Grab my drill. I really think this is going to work though. Let's see. Just pull this from the middle. Uh-oh. Let's tighten that now. All right. And that's it. So here it is. Luckily I have my phone and speaker holder. This little dash right here just sneaks up under that and gives you good leverage. But boom, just like that. So I'll be able to do shots as I'm on my bike. The boomstick's here. Camera will stick right here. All right, so what do you think? Hot or not? Does it work or not? I think it does. But we'll have to save that for when we actually go back out. If you'd like to be part of our purpose, mission, and our journey, please consider becoming part of the Electron Rebels Bike Club. You can find links to the club in the description below. Ride easy.